Hey everybody, Caleb from Woodshop here. It's the Wednesday follow-up video. So last week we made this handy little stool, and this thing has been great since I've had it. I've actually used it a lot since I have it. We didn't have any step stools around the house, and we had this old wicker basket that was falling apart, and I used to be able to stand on it, but after so many times it's just completely falling apart, and so I was happy to throw that in the trash and replace it with this. It got this kind of dusty being in here. Yeah, this is really cool, man. I was so happy with the way the contrast. It's both pine, but I like the contrast between the two of them because these are really old bed slats that I got from Jennifer's mom when I was helping her move. I asked if I could have them. This board, I was some kind of old growth pine or something, or it almost makes me think of longleaf pine. I'm not sure if that's what it is, but I don't think you can get longleaf pine anymore. I like the design. I think the only thing I don't like is maybe this is too tall, like there might be a little too much distance between the two steps, but it doesn't seem to interfere with the functionality. It's just more of the look. I was going to use walnut, these like thick 2x2 pieces of walnut for the legs. I'm glad I didn't do that. I couldn't find enough of it, which is why I opted for these, and I think I'm happier with how it looks that way. Nameless Assyrian. He's nameless. He's going to stay nameless. We don't know his name. He pointed out that I didn't do give a demonstration of the stool so you can see how sturdy it is, and I don't know why I didn't. I just didn't think about it. So I'll give you a demonstration so you can see how it looks. I'm going to get it all dirty. See? So it works, and it is really sturdy. He also said that he made some that were really heavy and bulky, and really these boards aren't thick. With the Dados cut in there, it gives it so much more surface area for the glue to grab on, and then reinforced with the dowels. It's as sturdy as it could get. Dados help a lot. I'm not very good at doing dados, so I got lucky on this and managed to get a good fit on all my dados. Usually I always overshoot it and it ends up too loose, and I have to like fill it with glue and stuff. I think you could probably just get a 2x6, 2x8 board from like Lowe's or something and make this same one. I wouldn't mind making more step stools in the future. Somebody asked me if this was going to be for Ben. Paul, he asked me if this was going to be for my little one. You know, for now I'm using it for changing light bulbs or just kicking my feet up and watching TV, but when he's big enough, yeah, he could use it to brush his teeth or whatever. If you're wondering what all this is, I made a welcome mat for my house, and I didn't shoot any video for it because this was a Steve Ramsey project. It was inspired by his. It's not based off the one he made in particular. That's what's going on here in this mess. I like how I had some people commenting hashtag Taco Bell. I'd gone to Taco Bell for lunch, and I had the cup I was drinking out of so much. Hashtag Taco Bell. So keep doing that. Hashtag Taco Bell. I've been doing some stuff around the house outside, and as we get closer to spring I want to do some more. I don't have very many outside projects on my channel, so I'd like to get some more outside projects done this year. Anyways, I think that's about it. I don't really have anything of substance to add. Thank you all for making this one a good one, and I will catch y'all on Friday.